Furnace of the Gods. I'm finally here. Are you listening, Mother? You can't stop complaining now. It's not far anymore. No, I've reached my destination.
Fine, but how are you planning to get in there?
There's a huge cock here, protruding from the ground right behind me. Well, cocks are there to get holes open. Brilliant metaphor. Well, now that I know you've reached your destination safely, I'll go to bed. Good night.
Lara, look, there are Sasquatches.
Oh God!
Yes, I can't believe it. Go and say hello to them.
I'm not quite sure if they will like it. Hello, Sasquatch. Just as I thought. They're like the guys on the motorbikes outside.
No, what are you doing? You can't just slaughter the Sasquatches.
These aren't Sasquatches, and not Yeti either.
No, stop it.
Oh God! No!
Hello? Is anyone still there?
Yes, Claire and I. Nice show, but I'm afraid your mother didn't like it at all. What were those creatures?
I don't know. But now they are dead. And I have to find a way to get this gate open.
I think I've seen some big stones in the shadows. If you put them into the openings in the pillar, the gate might open.
Well, that wasn't enough to open the gate, but a mechanism has been activated. I think I'm on the right way.
Tom, are you there? Ken, Larson. Can anyone hear me?
Ouch. He can't move. It doesn't look good.
And it fucking hurts.
Damn. How could this even happen? And where is Tom?
Kate, I've seen a radio in the train. You could use it to contact Clara.
Okay, you stay here with Larson.
Although this mechanism is very complicated and causes me some difficulties, I have to say that I like it. I can just turn around parts of the pillar without using too much force. They start to glow when I touch them, and bringing them into the right position illuminates this boring grey room even more. That's so cool.
Admit it, you just like to climb about on something that looks like a big erect cock.
Tom would love this. Oh, someone else is trying to call me. Please excuse me for a moment.
It's okay, Lara. It's quite late anyway, and I can hardly keep my eyes open. I think we'll go to bed now.
Understood. Good night, Claire. Good night, Darcy. See you tomorrow. And please try to talk sense into my mother when you see her again.
I promise. Good night.
Hello,
Miss Croft, it's me.
Miss Archer. I'm glad you're still alive. How are you? And where are you?
I'm standing among the remains of the train. You know, the one we were supposed to ride to an unknown destination.
Oh, cool. If you look out of the window, you might have seen me on a motorbike.
So you've reached the Furnace of the Gods?
Yeah, I'm just trying to open its entrance door. What about you? Are the others alright? When will I see you?
Well, unfortunately, there was a little problem with the train.
Yeah. It hit a rather large gas bottle or whatever that was. No idea why it was lying on the tracks. I hope you all survived the impact, somewhat undamaged.
Ken and I are fine, but Larson is stuck under a pile of debris and I can't see Tom anywhere.
Do you think you can leave Ken and Larson alone and catch up with me? They are two big boys, I'm sure they can take care of themselves for a while.
Where are you?
Just walk towards the end of the tracks and climb up to a hole in the wall which looks like the entrance to a ventilation shaft. After that you will see a long spiral road going downwards, you can't miss it. That's where I am.
Alright, let me just talk this over with the others. I'll be there soon.
That's the fur I saw behind the house. What was she doing there?
What are you doing here? Did you follow us secretly? Well, never mind. Could you help us? There was a train accident. Larson is stuck, and I'm not strong enough to free him alone. On top of that, we don't know where Tom is. Are you all right? You look a little bit absent. We're out of time. What's wrong? It's me, Ken. Don't you recognize me?
So this is the furnace of the gods. It's getting quite warm in here, don't you think so?
Yes, the further we go the warmer it gets. I wonder where this heat comes from. The woman from the cafe. And my mother's Sasquatches. Thank God she doesn't see this.
These are not Sasquatches. They look like the Baroness's men, just like the ones at her brothel in the Alps. So I was right about the crates in the train, and at the military base. Harm must have figured out there's something important here.
I'm not sure about them, but we know now the woman who left the messages for Claire is on our side. Or at least not on Harm's.
And we know where the heat comes from. Look, that hot liquid down there. It's not lava, but what is it?
It almost looks like gold. Molten gold. Just imagine how many invaluable coins we could make out of it. We would never have to work for Unity anymore.
If you're keen on extracting some of the gold with your bare hands and kneading it, Go ahead, but I think there are more important things we should worry about now. Let's go. I want to find that woman so that she can finally tell us what the hell is going on.
Shit, what was that? It's tickling all over my body. Where am I now? What the hell did I just teleport? Ken, what happened?
Darcy, she shot me.
Darcy? Oh no, I knew there was something wrong with her. Ken, hold on. I'll look for help.
No,
What? But you're wounded.
don't worry about me. Kate and Larry are in great danger. You must save them. I don't know what's wrong with Darcy. You women have always been a mystery to me, but she's probably on the way to them. Stop her. You're the only one who can.
Okay, but I'll be back as soon as possible. Just hold on.
What?
Hush. Don't move.